Hey there guys, I just wanted to share with you, I just received the Starlink system. I'm going to use that for my upcoming trip to Alaska. So I just wanted to show you the setup. I got everything configured, very easy to do. I'll insert some pictures of the setup process on the phone here. But basically you just take the panel, set it up, plug it in, run the cord back. I just set it up over there so it's out of the way. Picked up a 15-gallon tote from Lowe's, so that will protect it. The insert actually goes inside there, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But we have the router itself on the right, power supply on the left. They simply plug into the back here. No issues. Power cord plugs in here, comes out of here. I've got everything running on the Jackery currently. Got the solar panels out, so right now it's drawing about 74 watts on this one, which is pretty good. Input's about 120 or so. It's kind of overcast right now, but got the 200 watt panels out here for this right now, and it's a little cloudy like I said, but for the most part it's doing pretty good, keeping up with it. There was I think it was at 83% when I started, and it's still at 83%, so I think it'll maintain that. I'll go ahead and take this lid off here and just show you how it looks inside. Slide this lid out. Inside, this is basically what comes from Starlink. It's just a piece of cardboard, so it literally just slides right inside there. You still have the packing material and some instructions. There is the setup configuration from Starlink. You just want to make sure that you have an open view of the sky. The app walks you through everything. So I'll go ahead and keep this. I'll pack it back up just like so, and there's enough room inside this tote. I'll be able to put my laptop and some other incidentals in here, so it's all protected in one case. And then the lid simply just snaps right back on top there. So there we have it. It's kind of a short deal, but there's really not much to it. It works, you know. And I'll go ahead and put in some screenshots of the speed test. Did 3 speed tests. I'll plug those in here so you can take a look at those. But totally self-sufficient off of a Jackery 1000, and right now it's 53 watts it's drawing, so not bad. Definitely is going to work, and very happy with it. I do have a couple of backup plans. I've got a couple of 5G routers that I can use as a backup, but for the most part that's going to be the primary setup. And the Jackery can be charged off of 12 volts while I'm in the car, or it can be plugged into 120 to charge, or I can set up the solar panels at camp, and that's probably what I'll do for the most part there. So there we have it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care.